Now we'll start our next topic, that is LR parser. So कंपाइलर डिज़ाइन में हम कुछ LR parser से हमसे क्यों क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। उससे पहले मैं बता दूं कि मेरे इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल और टेलीग्राम हैंडल चेक कर लेना एक बार, लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा। पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, व्हाट इज़ टर्मिनल टेबल। टर्मिनल टेबल क्या होता है? तो आंसर इज़ डी, डैट इज टर्मिनल टेबल इज़ द परमानेंट टेबल विच list all keywords and special symbol of the language in symbolic form. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, advantage of incorporating the microprocessor into pass 1 is that. The answer will be D, that is all the above mentioned. So many functions have to implement it twice. Functions are combined, not necessarily creating intermediate files as output from the microprocessor and input to the assembler. And third one is more flexibility is provided to the programmer, is that as he may use all the features of the assembler in conjunction with macros. So explanation is, a general purpose microprocessor or general purpose preprocessor is a macro designed primarily for string manipulation macro definition. Question number third, which of the following is a phase of compilation process? The answer is C, that is lexical analysis and code generation. Question number four, system programs such as compiler are designed so that they are dash. So answer is A, that is reiterable. Reiterable is the keyword for compiler being designed. ठीक है। Question number fifth, a series of statement explaining how the data is to be processed is called. The answer is D, that is program. A program is a sequence of instructions written to perform a task by a computer. It requires program to function, typically executing the program's instruction in a central processor. Question number 6, a loader is a program that dash. तो loader क्या है? The answer is A, that is program that places function into memory and prepares them for execution. Next question number 7, a system program that set up an executable program in main memory ready for execution is. The answer is C, that is loader. A loader is a part of operating system that is responsible for loading programs and libraries. It is one of the essential stages in the process of starting a program, as it places program into memory and prepares them for execution. Next question number 8, which of the following system program progress forgoes the production of object code to generate absolute machine code and load it into the physical main storage location from which it will be executed immediately upon completion of assembly? The answer is B, that is load and go assembler. Load and go assembler generates absolute machine code and loads it to a physical memory. Question number 9, uniform symbol table dash. The answer is C, that is consists of full or partial list of tokens as they appear in program created by lexical analysis and used for syntax analysis and interpretation. So lexical analysis क्या करता है? Each passes scan the program. The first pass generates the symbol table and the second pass generates the machine code. Next question, assembler is a program that dash. The answer is B, that is translate the assembly language into machine language. Assembler program का काम क्या है? Translate the assembly language into machine language. Assembler is a program that takes basic computer instruction and converts into a pattern of bits that the computer processor can use to perform its basic operation. Question number first, which of these is also known as look ahead LR parser? The answer is C, that is LLR. LLR का फुल फॉर्म ही होता है लुक अहेड LR पार्सर. ठीक है, LR पार्सर इज लुक अहेड पार्सर. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द सिमिलरिटी बिटवीन LR, LA, LR एंड SLR? तो LR, LA, LR एंड SLR में क्या डिफरेंस है? द आंसर इज A, that is use some algorithm but different parsing table. The common ground of this parser is the algorithm but parsing table is different. ठीक है, ये सेम एल्गोरिदम यूज़ करता है, पार्सिंग टेबल डिफरेंट होता है. Question number 3, an LR parser can detect a syntactic error as soon as The answer is B, that is as soon as it is possible to do so a left to right scan of the input. Error is found when its input string is scanned. तो एरर इसमें कब फाउंड होता है, जब इनपुट स्ट्रिंग स्कैन होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, विच ऑफ दिस इज ट्रू अबाउट एलआर पार्सिंग. तो इनमें से कौन एलआर पार्सिंग के बारे में ट्रू है. द आंसर इज सी, दैट इज इन मोस्ट जनरल नॉन बैक ट्रैकिंग शिफ्ट रिड्यूस पार्सिंग एंड इट इज स्टिल एफिशिएंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, फिफ्थ, which of the following is incorrect for the action of LR parser? Shift reduce a greater than B, accept, and 4 reject. The answer is C, that is 1, 2 and 3. Only reject out of the following is correct LR action. Question number 6, if a state does not know whether it will make a shift operation or reduction for a terminal is called. The answer is A, that is shift reduce conflict. Question number 7, when there is reduce conflict. तो reduce conflict कब होता है. The answer is C, that is if a state does not know whether it will make a reduction operation using the production rule of I or J for a terminal. It occurs when if a state does not know whether it will make a reduction operation using the production rule I or J for a terminal. When beta is the LR1 and then A greater than B, AA is not empty, the look ahead. The answer will be the B, that it does not have any effect. Question number 9, when beta is empty, A greater than beta and A reduction by A greater than small a is done by. The answer is D, that is only if the next input symbol is A. The next token is considered in the case it's small a. Question number 10, the construction of a canonical collection of the set of LR1 item are similar to the construction of the canonical collection of the set LR0 item, which is an exception. The answer is A, that is closure and go to operation work a little bit different. Closure and go to do work differently in case of LR0 and LR1. ठीक है, तो ये LR पार्सर के बारे में था कंप्लीट. थैंक यू. नाइट आउट स्टडी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें.